Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig I got from Hairsmarket. They sent me this very beautiful wig. It's a 4x4 closure and it is highlighted beautifully. I love it so much. It is extremely full, as you can see, and very lightweight at the same time. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you guys can follow me there, so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. All right, you guys, let's get right into it. This is the box it will come in, a cute little pink box with a bow on it. On the back, it has all of how to wash the hair and hair details and recommendations. I'm gonna open the box up real quick and I'll show you what comes inside. So as soon as you open the box, it comes in this drawstring bag. Inside it has a wig cap, a bonnet, and some lashes. These lashes look really cute. I might wear them. Lastly, you have the wig. It comes in this plastic bag. All right, and straight out the plastic bag, you have the wig. So these are the ends at the bottom. You see all the highlights. Then this is a 4x4 closure, so you can see the parting. Inside we have 4 combs, left, right at the bottom, and your adjustable straps there as well. These highlights look really good. This is a BodyWave. The hair is very soft, very soft. All right, so I'm going to just pluck the perimeter real quick off camera, and then I will come back and we will talk about this cutie. Okay, I'm back. I installed the wig. I think I'm gonna go in with my deep waver and put some deep waves in here. This wig was very easy to install because it was a 4x4 closure, so all I had to do was lay down this portion, put some foundation on the parting, and I just hot combed the hair from left to right. So now I'm just gonna deep wave the hair, bring some life to this hair, and I will come back at the end and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and deep waved the hair. It looks very, very beautiful, very full, very defined. I love it. All right, so this is the wig after I have installed it and styled it. I will have all the details to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out, please. It is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, and it literally did not tangle on me one time while I was styling this. This hair is very, very easy to manage. Again, it is a 4x4 closure wig, and I love her. She's very, very cute. Very, very cute. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.